trying to see if I can put this game on hold. Don't seem like I can do it. So anyway, what up, word? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. We got another eBay pickup. This one is coming from St. Louis Park, Minnesota. So let's get into it real quick. You already know. So let's see the best way to attack this. Cut this down the side like that, right there. You know what I'm talking about? And this should have been here yesterday, but we didn't get it yesterday. So they stink. Oh, corn chip, Frito bag. Okay, we got some issues off the top. Oh my God, straight corn chips. Okay, so anyway, looking at the More Uptempo. This is the dark obsidian version of the shoe. Okay, so good news, got a little toe separation right there at the top, so it's not going to really require much. Whoever had these, man, these are like out of all the shoes that I had so far, these are the most used I can tell. And we're gonna get into some of the other flaws that the shoe has that I'm gonna get out later on. And I hope y'all can hear me, because if not, let's turn that down some. Okay. It's supposed to be a size 14, which it is. And it's going to require a whole lot of attention from me as far as certain things. I'm not going to even put my hand in them until I clean the shoe. But right up in here, you're going to have a little re-glue. It's not bad compared to most stuff I get. Sometimes I can flip it all the way back, but that's nothing. So with that being said, I know where I can put the glue at now, and it's not going to be a whole lot of glue. But otherwise, the shoe is a good solid shoe. No other glue issues but the little small area right there. Let's look at some of the scuffs right there. All of that will come out. All of that stuff will come out. Up under the shoe, really don't even have to worry about it. So that's cool. Yeah, these are like the most beat on the inside. They stink bad. And again, there's a little bit of toe separation right there. But anyway, on this side, of course, you see the dirt on the white. Okay? Your air bubble is not that clear. We do have some haze, but nothing that I can't handle. So these are the Air More Uptempo Nike Air. Bro, they smell like fucking corn chips, man. I should have put your name out there. Stinking foot little boy. Whoever you are. And then there's some issues with this shoelace over here, so I might have to locate some more shoelaces. See how the blue came off and it's white right there? Or I can just ignore it. We'll figure it out. But I want y'all to get a good look at the shoe. God, they stink, man. They freaking stink. Now on this particular part of the shoe, you know, you got these, you got some areas where the navy is gonna need some attention, and I hope I can find some navy to get it kind of repainted. But anyway, it's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, Nike Era, More Uptempo. These are the Scottie Pippins, the dark obsidian with the orange accents. I'm gonna show you a few videos of after I clean them up. This is the part 2 of my September pickups from eBay. 1.